Managing social media in your relationship, do's and don'ts. Welcome to a new era where social media is not just a platform for sharing pictures or memes, but also a vital part of relationships. Social media has become a minefield for relationships, with hidden dangers at every turn. So, let's explore some do's and don'ts for managing social media in your relationship. Firstly, do respect each other's privacy. It's crucial to remember that everyone has a right to private space, even online. Avoid sneaking into your partner's personal messages or scrutinizing their every post or likes. Trust is the pillar of any relationship. Secondly, don't overshare. While it's tempting to share every moment together, remember that not every detail needs to be public. Keep some special moments just between the two of you. This not only preserves your privacy, but also keeps the relationship more intimate and personal. Next, do set boundaries. Every couple has different comfort levels when it comes to social media. Discuss what's okay to post and what's not. Establish what kind of interactions are acceptable with others online. Clear boundaries can prevent misunderstandings down the road. On the other hand, don't let social media dictate your happiness. If you're constantly comparing your relationship to the seemingly perfect ones online, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Remember, social media often highlights the best, while real-life relationships have ups and downs. Also, do use social media to communicate, but not as the only means. It's great for sending cute messages or sharing funny posts, but it should not replace face-to-face interaction or deep, meaningful conversations. After all, nothing beats a personal touch in relationships. Don't use social media to air dirty laundry. If you're upset with your partner, talk it out privately. Public arguments or subtle online digs can be hurtful and damage your relationship. Keep your disagreements off social media. It's not a battlefield. Another important do is to make time for a social media detox. Regularly disconnecting from the digital world can help you reconnect with each other. Spend that time talking, laughing, or simply being in each other's company. It's about quality, not quantity. Lastly, don't let social media distract you from your partner. It's easy to get lost scrolling on your phone, but remember to give your partner your undivided attention. Making each other the priority over social media strengthens your connection. In conclusion, remember that social media is just a tool. It can bring people together, but it can also pull them apart. So, use it wisely in your relationship. Show respect, establish boundaries, communicate effectively, and most importantly, don't let it overshadow the real, beautiful love that exists between you two. Navigating social media in a relationship doesn't have to be tricky. With mutual respect, understanding, and clear communication, you can use it to enhance your relationship, not complicate it. Happy scrolling! Thank you for liking the video. See you again?